This is the entrance of the washing room where Belgians stand, and now we are going to go inside. This is 150 years old. There is no Aggie, it's not power, no, it's all hands. No power.
The clothes are in and it is, the machine is turning now.
Okay.
It is run by water that is heated through the coal. Can you see the fire?
Steam power. Through steam power. Where are the clothes now? They are inside.
This is the dryer. See the dryer. They will put it into the dryer.
This is the dryer where the man is putting in the clothes.
It
will dry the clothes.
Now he's going to open it.
The washing is over and the machine is to be opened.